Welcome to the future of Know Your Customer compliance. Introducing eStraLux KYC Vault, your all-in-one solution for seamless and efficient client onboarding and periodic reviews. Let's dive into the key features that make eStraLux the go-to KYC tool in the market. The eStraLux KYC Vault organizes client information into different tabs for a comprehensive overview. From legal existence to business specifics, everything neatly categorized for easy access. Now, let's talk risk assessment. Our unique risk assessment tab factors in country risk, entity type risk, industry risk, PEP risk, sanctions risk, and adverse media risk. The eStraLux KYC Vault automatically calculates the final risk rating of the client and provides level of due diligence required for the KYC. This innovative feature ensures that KYC analysts can focus their due diligence efforts where they matter the most. Need to add multiple trade names, directors, or shareholders? No problem. Just click on the sign and you can easily input additional information. Managing documents has never been simpler. The Document Matrix tab allows KYC analysts to upload PDFs seamlessly, ensuring that all relevant documents are in one centralized location. And to make the KYC process even more efficient, we've included a validation checklist. KYC analysts can tick off the documents they've uploaded, ensuring a thorough and compliant onboarding process. But we don't stop here. We are currently working with our UK-based team to add outreach functionalities, making eStraLux KYC Vault your ultimate KYC compliance partner. Join the future of KYC compliance with eStraLux KYC Vault. Visit our website or contact us today to experience the next level in client onboarding.